Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, I have created the best ice box that's the most convenient for you guys, and you will have the chance to purchase this item. So, you're not going to want to miss this video. Check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright guys, so I'm just going to cut right to it. I have been working on making the best ice box that's the most convenient, so you can store it away, and it also works great. So at first, I tried out the wooden one, saw how that worked. I liked it, but the only problem with it is it was a lot to put together and you couldn't collapse it. So that was one of my biggest issues. So it kind of was just, a big box. I wanted something that was convenient for you guys, so you don't have to have just a box sitting somewhere. You can kind of fold it up, put it away, something like that. And I've had a lot of guys ask me to make the wooden one for them, but I decided, you know what, I want to do something even better. So I've officially made it, and yes, this will be available to purchase, not just one. I'm going to be making multiple of them. What I need you guys to do, though, is if you are interested and you want one of these ice boxes, all you got to do is click the link in the description and then put in your email. Once you put in your email, I will send you guys an email on when you guys will be able to get these. I will be doing a pre-order to see how many people are interested, so that way I can make them. Also, a week from today, so next Saturday, I will be doing a drawing of every person who signed up for an email. I will be doing a giveaway of one of these boxes for free. No charges at all, no shipping, no anything. Free. So if you want to be included in that, again, go in the description, click the link, and put your email in there. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, so here is the ice box. This is the outside of the ice box. As you can see, we cut a hole right here. Perfect, because guess what? You don't need to have it just hanging. If you want, you can set it right on top. You do not need it to hang, okay? So you can do two things. You can either hang it, or let's say you don't want to hang it or you can't hang it. I made this where every light perfectly fits over top, no matter if you get my light or someone else's, which soon I will be sourcing my own light, and you'll probably find out about that next week, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, every light will fit on top of this. That way you don't need to hang it. But if you want to hang it, go for it, okay? This is the top part, okay? Now, you can take it off. It's just a regular top, okay? And here is the inside, okay? We fully insulated the inside, and we have this perfect reflective, insulation inside of this. And it's super convenient. This whole thing will break down. I'm going to show you exactly how we do it. First, I want to show you this, okay? In here, okay? This comes like this, okay? We have it Velcroed inside. Just like this, okay? You can fold it up, put it away. Easy. Fold it up, put it away. The bottom piece is just a bottom piece. Fold it like this. Take this middle out, and then you can fold this whole thing up. Just like this, okay? Everything collapses, okay? Easy to store. Put it away. You put it under your bed, under your dresser, in your closet, wherever. Easy. It's not a big box anymore, okay? And it's super easy to put together. All you gotta do, open the box up. It comes with one of these bottoms to make sure it's sturdy down there. Okay, put that in the bottom just like that. Next, you're gonna take the custom fitted bottom that I made with the insulation, and we are going to put that in. It will fit perfectly just like that inside. Next, you're gonna take the surrounding one piece of insulation, okay? Now, on this, I have Velcro already on it, so all you have to do is line it up. You don't have to do anything else. It's already gonna be pre-done like this, okay? So, you're gonna go here. All you gotta do is line it up, okay? Line it up right here in the corner. Lines up here. From there, it'll pretty much just line up pretty easily. We have one more. It already just goes right to it. And like that, it's already in there. It's not gonna fall out. Totally perfect, okay? I've already tested this. It works great. And like I said, if you want, and maybe you do have one that already hangs, a light that hangs, you can just put it like this. You don't even need the top if you don't want. But then it does make it a little bit better if you take the top, put it on just like this, easy. The hole is cut in it, and then all you gotta do is set the light on top, and you're good to go. This is the most convenient icebox ever. No one else that I know of has done this, okay? We are first. If you guys are watching this, I appreciate you supporting me, and I'm glad we finally got to this point. just remember, no one else has done this. We got here first, and you guys were a part of this, so I appreciate all of you. The most convenient icebox ever, and works like a charm. Love it, guys. I love it. It's my favorite icebox I've ever made. And now, like I said, you will be able to have a chance to buy it yourself, okay? Now, like I said, all you gotta do is go to the description, click on the link, put your email in, and then you will get an email from me on how to pre-order yours. Again, I do have to custom make these, so it will take me some time to make, but I will give you all the information in an email. Once these are available, they will be available on my Etsy store, which is at kickscrib.com. If you go there, that is where I will be dropping these boxes, okay? But you will know all that information in the email. If you are not in the email, you will not find out when I am dropping these, and you might miss out, because I'm only going to do a limited run to start, and if I see more people want them, then I'm going to start making more. But if you want to be in that first batch, make sure you put your email in so you get all the information on it. And also, don't forget, once you put your email in, you have a chance to win a free box, no charge at all. All you gotta do is, once you win, I'm gonna do a random drawing, and once you win, I'll ask you for your address, and I'll ship it out to you. So that's a free entry. You don't want to miss that. Now, last thing is, I also have been working on finding the perfect light for you guys, because the light that I keep pushing you guys towards, a lot of the time ends up being out of stock. So I decided, I'm gonna find my own that works great, and I know will not go out of stock, because I'm going to keep it stocked all the time. So, with that being said, I am really close. I have one in my possession right now that I'm testing out. If this works, I'm going to also be selling those soon, okay? Probably starting next week or the week after, so sometime in July. So, don't miss out on that, and then you guys can get, the best of both. Plus, in the future, I might be doing a combo deal where you can get the light and the box together as a package bundle. Okay, so we'll talk about that in the future, but for now, the icebox is available for pre-order, so hit that link in the description. So that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions or video suggestions, please put it in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And lastly, if you like this channel and you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So it's Scotty Restores Kicks. You want to be icy? Well, it starts in the soul. I'm going to see you next time.